Hello folks, exciting news, hot off the press. Cazoo have done a deal with LeaseLoco. This means that Cazoo subscription deals will now be appearing on LeaseLoco, along with all the normal car leasing deals that we normally look at. At the time I'm recording this, there's no specific link just to go straight into those Cazoo deals, apart from the one in the video description and pinned as the top comment on this video. So please, if you want to have a look, click through that, help support the channel, you know that. So these Cazoo deals are very, very different to a normal lease. They are a subscription. Cazoo call it just add fuel. So basically you've got insurance for the entire term. You've got servicing and maintenance, including your tyres, included for the entire term. You've got breakdown cover, and you can make amendments to the term or the mileage without any sort of admin charge on that. Again, this is hot off the press. It is very new. Right now, all the deals that you'll see on there are for 12,000 miles a year, but that could well change by the time you watch this video. They can do other mileages, but you just have to make an inquiry. They can also do 6-month deals, which are not currently advertised on LeaseLoco. But again, if you make an inquiry, they can give you a quote on your sort of exact needs. So as this is new, deals are still being added all the time. So this could look very different by the time that you guys go and take a look. But remember that all these cars are in stock. They include insurance, servicing, maintenance, everything. So just as an example, I'm going to pick this one out on this Corsa for you. So this one's $329 up front and then $329 a month. So essentially you pay a month up front and then $329 a month. 7-day money back guarantee, so you can cancel or return your vehicle within 7 days from delivery. So if it turns up and you just really don't like it, you can send it back. I'm sure there'll be some mileage restrictions on that. You've got breakdown cover, insurance is included, maintenance is included, including your tyres, and you've got free change of term or mileage. As I said, they're only showing 12,000 mile deals at the moment. You can change like how many months or years or whatever, but you can't change the mileage. But all you need to do is click on message, and then you go through that, make your inquiry, tell them exactly what you're looking for, and they will come back to you with a price. I think the great thing about this being on LeaseLoco and not just going sort of direct through Cazoo website is that we're really used to this format. We're really used to how this looks and how to search and how to filter and all the rest of it. But obviously you can also compare it against deals from other people in time. And right now even, I mean, these will appear in with your normal lease searches. So you might find a lease is this price, or you could have the subscription with insurance and everything else included for a little bit more. So I think it's great to have it included in LeaseLoco. Gives you a really good idea of where it is in terms of value. As I said, currently at the time I'm doing this, there's not a separate sort of subscriptions button on LeaseLoco. So use my link, go straight through to all the Cazoo deals and have a look for yourself. Remember, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant, I'm not a car finance broker, I'm none of those things. And as such, nothing I tell you should ever be taken as financial advice, okay? All I ever give you is my thoughts. Thanks ever so much for watching, folks. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please come back for more. See you next time.